group and Madi parameter. Have you thought of that interface? Have you had that interface of Acholi parliamentary group and Madi parliamentary group so that you can discuss at that parliamentary level before we involve?
That leave them alone. So I think we should not waste time. It's good I've got as I proposed. You get your counterpart. Yes, sir. Your counterpart of that side. Then is it you or the RCC to call the Germany, RDC, the DPC, and where else? Then by that time I think we need the RISO and the DISO that side, and the DISO Bamoro, and you, all of you, these people have attended this security meeting, all of you, on Monday, and you also 7, and pick those also leaders from who live in Germany, who live in APAA, Dana Bero, who won't be Dana Bero, and to Ginatika Metrone. I need either to go with Jera or somebody. He wants the geographical area. He wants the geographical area of APAA, of the entire place. And we need somebody who can take him through that brief of the geographical area. Then kakama wunu tika beriye kuben. Ki will dana di mo tika berupen. Then what else? Meeting Chabero, on Monday. On Monday, by 11, Cha Beach. Poron, we're going to Poron Tewe. Okay? So you will inform the division commander will be there, and the division IO, and the commander of APAA, either being the brigade commander or whatever of APAA, he should also be there. At 11. Okay? I think that approach. Now the homework here, because what we discuss here, like what you said, I think now you have to go to him because he has the information from here and that side and maybe the Amuro, and you need to have your meeting on what we had agreed on, this other point. You get a point. He's going to help in that meeting. And that's why he's interested in the land. We want to know the geography of the place. You want to say something?
I just want to